I can leave you guys with this bit of advice that I think will carry most of you guys through to full-time income. So hopefully you guys are going to write this down. Your paycheck in this business needs to be creating music. And I think that literally needs to be written down. Like, you need to have so much joy and excitement and motivation and inspiration just pouring out of you when you're creating music that it's all you want to do. You really just can't wait to do it. And even when you have those days where you don't feel like making music, you just know that it's temporary. Okay, I fell out of love with this craft for a couple of hours. I'm going to have to go reset myself and go for a walk, get some sunshine. Taking care of your health obviously is a must. But if you're not loving the craft of making music, like you just, that feeling of like, this chorus is crazy huge. I can't wait till this verse rises up into that chorus. Or you just love hitting play on your track when it's done and going like, I did that. I can't believe that I did that. Yeah. Or you can't wait to share it with your friends and family, your loved ones, that kind of thing. If that's not completely just pouring out of your heart, I don't know if this is going to work for you, because it takes like I said, it takes a long time to get the actual paycheck in the form of money. So yeah. if that year or two where you're putting in your time, you're putting in your dues, you're not getting any paychecks, and I mean those kind of paychecks, the emotional, the spiritual, the musical paychecks. If you're not getting paid, where's the motivation? Where's the excitement, right? So I would say that, just like I don't remember who said it, but if you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. That's exactly true. And I don't mean that as like a cutesy saying. That's like dead serious advice right there. If you're not having fun with your job, with your career, with your music, with whatever you're doing, you're not going to succeed. There's no way, because guess what? Obstacles are coming your guys' way. You're going to have disappointing royalty checks. You're going to get rejected. You're going to feel like maybe you don't belong here. You're going to feel like, I've been putting in this time. Where's my money? You're going to feel all that stuff. Every obstacle that you can think of is going to come your way. So if there's no other pressure and no other exciting force pushing you through those road bumps, you're just going to stop. You're just like, well, okay, this is a huge road bump. I don't even like doing this. See ya. Why would you keep going? Of course, you'd be crazy to keep going. So just be aware of that. Be kind to yourself, be good to yourself, and try to keep yourself in that positive, just motivated, and encouraged and optimistic state of mind as much as possible.